What's up? I'm back with another video. So this right here is a studio display in a box. And you're probably like, wow, that's pretty cool. You got a boxed studio display. Well, if you notice, that is blue, which means it's a PowerMac studio display. So I got a boxed PowerMac too. And if you're wondering what that might be, it would be this. So I picked this computer up for $300 with the monitor, which is a very good price for even just a cube on its own, without a power supply, without anything. I got everything with the box and it's pretty good. And I'm still debating whether or not I should sell it or not, because I could definitely make a lot of money, which would be great, because I'm looking to buy a bunch of clamshells, like an indigo, a blueberry, and a key lime, so that I can buy or I can set up all of my matching iMac G3s. So like I can have this hang up on the wall, and a tangerine iMac underneath it. Have a graphite hanging on, you know. But this, like, I don't think I'll ever find one of these again. I sold all my boxed iMac G3s because, I mean, I'm sure I'm going to find another one of those again. They made so many of them, it's not that common, and they're not that expensive. I don't really mind raking out, like, a couple $100 to buy one. This, I don't think I'll ever find, like, I looked up on YouTube PowerMac G4 Cube unboxing, and there were videos, but it's not an unboxing if you buy it, it's just in a box. Like, that doesn't really count, in my opinion. So anyways, I'm doing, again, a terrible unboxing video, because I want to put this into my storage. So as most of you probably know, iTech, we were Skyping, and this was the first time I tried turning on the computer, and it works perfectly. I have no complaints. It turned on. I mean, it's really slow. I don't know why anyone would ever buy one of these. In all honesty, I don't know why anyone would ever buy a PowerMac G4. Like, if you were looking at buying a computer in the early 2000s, I don't know why you'd pick this. I would pick, like, a 700 megahertz iMac G3 or something, because these are not very fast. They're not that good. Like, and they all overheated. I don't know. Whatever. It's a great collectible computer. I can agree with that. That's for sure. But I don't know how I feel about it performance-wise. It's not that great. So this is facing the wrong way. Oh, it must have been magic. It's now on the ground. What the heck? So, this is what came with the computer. You know, just typical package. Not opened. I haven't opened it, and I'm not going to. This, which I think is the dumbest thing I've ever seen, it is a locking, like a thing that you see in stores that you put a lock around. Yeah, sure, it makes sense. But why would you put that around the keyboard? You just unplug the keyboard and steal the computer. It's like, good job. I don't understand why you do that. And it's like the world's weakest metal. If you bent that back and forth a couple times, I'm pretty sure it'd just break. So, good job. Two, keyboard, pretty good shape. Got some dust in the back. Yeah, you can see all that. That's kind of gross. Another thing I'm just going to say quickly before I forget, I'm going to be doing an in-depth-ish video on each of these, which will be like reinstalling software, upgrading RAM, stuff like that. Eventually, I'll probably not get them done for a while, but, you know. So, you know, install discs, which are specific to the PowerMac G4 Cube. So these are not that common either, I don't think, because if I open this, it doesn't just say PowerMac G4, it says PowerMac G4 Cube. See? So, I don't think those are very common. I mean, I haven't seen one for sale, like these packages, so. Okay, I'm not going to really bother taking out the power cord or the mouse, because it's just a Pro mouse. But this I'll take out. So this, I was looking at it when I first got this computer, and I was like, what is this? Well, it's not very complicated. It's just a VGA extension cable, almost. So pretty much, because of the cube's design and all the ports are on the bottom, what this does is you plug it into the VGA thing, and this cable will stick out the back, so you're not bending a VGA cable, and this just will make it look better. So I thought that was kind of smart. Good on Apple for that one. So, if I attempt to pull this out, maybe, there we go, and there it is, the cube. Oh yeah, another thing, this thing is in like perfect condition. There's like not anything wrong with it. Same with the speakers. They are not foam rotted at all, so that's pretty good. We're gonna leave those in there. Power supply works, doesn't have any problems. This is the cube itself. It's a 450 megahertz. It's got 128 megabytes of RAM, 20 gigabyte hard drive. Not quick, no airport. Yeah, I'll pull it out of the box really quick and we can take a quick look at it. And, well, almost died. And here it is. So, you can see, it looks like there's some scratches, but it's literally just, there. You can see it's just gunk all on it. So that's not terrible. Like, all the scratches on it, they're not scratches. It's just some, like, sticky, I gotta get some Goo Gone or something. But this thing is so good. Very, very, very good shape. Very good. All the writing on the back is in very, very good shape. Yeah, I mean, it's in good shape. That's why I don't know if I should sell it, because it's just so good. But then yet again, right now, it's just like, I could probably sell this for a fair amount, make some money, and get those clamshells I want. But then on the other hand, it's like, yeah, you know what? You might not find one of these again. But then also, I don't really, like these, I do find these very interesting. But not as interesting as an iMac G3. Especially this iMac G3. Or that iMac G3. These ones are very interesting to me. Yeah. So, that's about it. I'll make a video on it running and stuff, probably. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.